Hello everyone, welcome to the Furman Snapchat. I'm Aneesh Borah and I'll be taking over Furman Snapchat today. It's 7 in the morning and we are here in Atlanta for the first Furman Career Track. This is my roommate Gabe.
Get ready.
With other alumni and parents, but
I am. Mark? Very nice to meet you as well.
Corners led by Maggie. She's the subject matter expert on all things Coca-Cola.
I played Red, which represents
Ben.
Zach here to talk more about the career track that we are going on.
So we're out here in Atlanta, Coca-Cola headquarters, HQ, with the Malone Career Center, learning about opportunities after graduation and looking for that secret recipe to steal back.
So Anna, where else are we going today?
We're going to the Chick-fil-A headquarters and the Home Depot headquarters this afternoon. In honor of
Hey, I'm Kristen Irwin from the Malone Center for Career Engagement. We're excited to take students on this career track today, and the goal is just to help connect our students with alumni and employers who can really help them kind of figure out what they want to do and how they can use their talents to work in a job they love.
Our second stop was Chick-fil-A's Hatch Innovation Center, and it's dope. Woo!
So, my name is Patrick Tanzer. I'm a staffing coordinator here with the finance and accounting team. I'm your ambassador of fun today.
Home retail giants are like two guys trying to stick to the company that they were with.
I'm Annie. I'm on the Paladin Career Track, and I just want to say that's all for today. We're about to head back to campus, so we'll see you soon.
Guys, thank you for hanging out today. I hope you had fun. If you have any questions, just reply and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye.